Assalamu alaikum. I am Jawad Ahmad. Today we are present in the second class of economics, chapter number 4, that relates with the consumer equilibrium. In order to understand the concept of consumer equilibrium, there are some basic concepts that need to be understood. The first one is concept of utility. What is this utility? Utility is the power of goods or level of satisfaction that is being obtained through consumption of a good. So, the power or the level of satisfaction that you will obtain by consuming any good, such power or such level of satisfaction is known as utility. For example, in summers, one day he was very thirsty and want to drink any cold drinks. You drink a chilled bottle of Sprite and feel a relaxation or coldness of stomach. So, the thing that you have obtained after drinking Coke or Sprite is relaxation or coldness of the stomach or satisfaction of stressness. So, what are the outcomes of taking Sprite? First is relaxation or the coolness of stomach or the sense of relaxation that your need has been fulfilled. So, the relaxation or the coldness or the assurity that your need is being fulfilled, such relaxation, coldness, or satisfaction is known as utility. So, this is the utility. Second example that we can take that is you want to buy a car and you have purchased it. So, the feeling of accomplishment that you have achieved your desired outcome or desired necessary such feel of relaxation or such feeling of accomplishment is known as utility. So this is utility, power of goods or level of satisfaction that is being obtained through the consumption of goods is called utility. So regarding utility, there were two groups of economists. First one believed that utility can not be measured. It can only be preferrized, that you can give them ranking only. That first one, second one, and third one. You cannot actually count them or measure them in numerical values or some in monetary terms. This was first group of economists. Second believed that utility can be measured in terms of numeric value. Means you can give 1, 2, 10% utility, 20% utility, 20,000 utility, 10,000 utility to this. The first group that believe that it cannot be measured in terms of numeric values are called ordinal approach. And the second one who believe that it can be measured in terms of numeric values is called Cardinal approach. Let's understand them with the help of some examples. For example, if you want to take a glass of water, you take it and continuously you are taking 3 glass of water. So under ordinal approach, they say that the utility that you have obtained through drinking of water is such that the utility of first class is more than the subsequent classes. It means that the utility that you have obtained by drinking the second and third glass is less than the utility or the power or the level of satisfaction that is being obtained through drinking first glass of water. So this ranking that first class utility is greater than the other two class is ordinal approach. Second one is the ordinal approach. Let's take the another example or the same example. The cost of first glass of water is 10 rupees. Second glass price is 5 rupees. So, ordinal approach economy says that the utility that you will take or gain through drinking the first glass is 10 rupees utility, and the utility that is being obtained through drinking the second glass is rupees 5, because you have sacrificed 10 rupees in order to obtain the utility of first glass, or the satisfaction that has been obtained through drinking of first glass of water. And similarly, you have consumed rupees 5 in order to obtain the utility that is being obtained through drinking the second glass of water. So this is two kinds of or two schools of economists that have different beliefs regarding utilities measurement. Let them study from the notes. Utility. What is utility? Utility means the amount of satisfaction, pleasure, benefit which a person gets from the consumption of goods or services. Both goods or services are included in this. It may be in the form of goods or in the form of service that is being obtained. So, what are the characteristics or properties of utilities? First one is utility can be measured coordinately. Means utility can be measured quantitatively like any other physical commodity by assigning a numerical value to it. For example, 1020, for example, means you can assign a numeric value or monetary limit to it. Other is ordinal measurement of utility, which having opposite viewpoint with cardinal measurement. Utility measurement cannot be measured by using numeric values. Consumer can only give a ranking or preference level to different commodities on the basis of the utility or the satisfaction that is being obtained from their utilization. That is first, second, and third. And the second property or characteristic of utility is marginal utility of every additional unit decreases. The property is called law of diminishing marginal utility that we are going to cover in very next class, which states that marginal utility means change in utility of a good decrease with every successive unit consumed. I have already explained this concept to you that the utility obtained from first class is always greater than the continuous subsequent units consumed. Here units are glass of waters. So this is our today's class regarding the basic concept of consumer equilibrium, that is utility and its characteristics. If this class has added any value, kindly subscribe my channel so I continue to provide such quality videos for you. Let's meet in the next class with the next learning objective that relates with the law of dimensioning marginal utility. So let's meet in the next class. Thank for your time.